Hey!
Hi!
Welcome back to We Be Kids. Today we're going to teach you how to make dandelion jelly. But before we do that, we have to pick 300 dandelions. Are you ready?
Ready.
On your marks.
Get set. Go!
There we go. At least 300, maybe 400, maybe. So lots of flower tops there. We didn't pick the leaves, although every part of the dandelion is edible. The leaves are really, really great for salads. And the name dandelion comes from the French Dandelion, which means the lion's teeth. And when you look at the leaves, they look like lion's teeth.
You can see why they've come up with that name.
Yes. So now we got them. Back home to make the jelly.
See you later.
So as you can see, now we have cut the backs from our dandelions. We have a lot of the petals. It's important to go through and just to pick out any green to make sure that it doesn't become a bitter mix. And when you're picking your dandelions, you want to consider where you are picking them from. You don't want to pick them from curbsides or anywhere where there is likely to be any pesticides having been sprayed. So it's something to really consider. Also walkways where cats or dogs may regularly use as their toileting area, you may want to reconsider your choice. We also have a litre of water, half a lemon, and we have some pectin powder here. It's important to follow the instructions on your particular brand. For us, it's going to be a half teaspoon of this particular pectin to our dandelion heads, which come up, 300 dandelion heads is coming up as about 50 grams roughly. You also need to have a kilogram of sugar. We've chosen the brown variety, but if you have white on hand, that's all good too. The jars we have here are for our finished jelly, not jam. And we're going to do our straining, which is our next step, into our large mason jar.
So that's how we make our dandelion jelly. Hope you enjoy some. Thanks for stopping by at Weeby Kids. See you next time. Bye.